end caps, they are glued by epoxy resin adhesive with inner core and filter material together. The end caps material usually are nylon, aluminium, AMD carbon steel, sometimes are stainless steel. The O-ring on the end can guarantee good sealing effect and avoid leakage. Next, the filter media, which is the most important part. We choose HV or Lidl brand filter media which has good air permeability, high efficiency. The features can make the elements has low pressure drop, long service life, and to guarantee the good filtration result. If you have any questions or suggestions about products, feel free to leave a message for us during the live show, and we will be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Above is a brief description of the element structure. Next, I want to say, in one system there are different elements with different filter rating and filter function. For example, this one, the filter rating is 3 micron, the main function is removing particles and larger volume of condensate. This one, the filter rating is 1 micron, the main function is removing particles and larger volume of condensate. The red one, the filter rating is 0.01, the main function is to remove the oil mist. This green one is the active carbon elements and it can remove the hydrocarbons and odor. Okay, thank you for joining us with our live channel. It's so great to share our products for you. Now let's talk about the standard product and non-standard products. The standard products is general parts. If you want to send us inquiry or order, just please offer us the part number. That is okay. As non-standard products, that's no problem.